The warmest of welcomes to you. We await the conclusion of the pre-game formalities. The teams then, Barcelona against Real Madrid. I'm Peter Drury, and seated in the experts' hot seat is our man Jim Beglin.
Thanks for the intro, Peter. I've been soaking up the atmosphere and I'm really looking forward to what lies in store.
Well, you can feel the sense of occasion here. El Clasico, one of world football's great occasions. No rivalry more intense. So, Jim, who would you identify as the key man in this fixture?
It's Casillas for me, because if he gets a little busy in this game, he has the talent and vast experience to cope with pretty much anything. He can be an extremely reassuring presence here.
Yeah, I'd have picked him too. No doubt the fans feel much the same way. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. And it's Benzema. Shots on! It's a brilliant interception. Daniel Alves pumps it forwards. Luis Suarez pumps it upfield. Toni Kroos. Out to the left it goes. Cristiano Ronaldo with the ball through. Marcelo. James Rodriguez! Oh, just needed a better contact.
Oh, they really wanted that. There's so many players in the box. Everyone's committed to attack now. Oh, that's so close to a dream start, and it could have made such a difference for what's to follow. I mean, this looks as if it could be quite an exciting game.
Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Luis Suarez plays it out to the flank. Toni Kroos. Neither side yet able to find the net. Barcelona somehow escaped the danger. That was a tight call, though. Casillas can hoist it clear. Toni Kroos. Benzema. Piqué into opposition territory. Looks like a good ball through. Oh, the ball's come loose! Goal! Barcelona! Barcelona are in front! Casillas did well the first time. Nothing he could do about the follow-up.
Well, listen, last line of defence and you don't get it right, then you're paying a visit to your net.
Barcelona take the lead, landing the first significant blow in what is certainly a significant contest. And it's Benzema. Tries a through ball. Too much on it, and that's the keeper's. Oh, good interception. Iniesta. So they got the only goal to make it 1-0. Modric plays a clever pass. Dispatched clinically.
Unbelievable. Well, that's something that will make the manager proud, because they dug in deep then and they've got their leveller.
Oh, a goal of real quality. He made it look ridiculously easy.
Look, volleys can be worked on and improvements can be made, but in the moment it takes timing and balance to catch the perfect spot on the ball to produce brilliance like that. That is absolutely magnificent.
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Well, in a tight game like this, there was always going to be little to separate them, but he really made that count.
It's Benzema! An absolute thunderbolt! Sumptuous finish, an absolute joy! And the comeback is complete!
Benzema did so well with that interception, but what followed was a pretty lethal counter-attack that took seconds to convert. That's as sharp as it gets, believe me.
Real Madrid take the lead.
Oh, look, it's lovely having a player with such ability in your side. He's always capable of coming up with something important, and he's done it again.
Well played, he saw that coming. James Rodriguez. Rakitic, who's got himself a free kick. Iglesias does well to parry it. Now that was quite some save.
Well, that free kick looked too far out for a shot.
Messi! Decent attempt, but not quite good enough. Barcelona are trailing here with the first half almost done. And it's Bale. Well, try as they might, they just couldn't get into an attacking area. Jordi Alba. Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. Both sides a bit too casual in possession. Barcelona emerge unscathed, they were right up against it. Toni Kroos boots it upfield. Barcelona get it back again. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Tries to dink it in. Oh, taken with style! And they are disappearing out of sight!
Benzema just stayed on the right side of the defender there. I thought he showed wonderful patience, great experience to just make sure he didn't drift offside. I just thought all round it was very intelligent play.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
Oh, this has been an immense contribution from one player. He's been just about unplayable. The irresistible force today.
Real Madrid go 2 up and into a position. And it's half-time here. Whistle goes, and we start the second half.
Look, before they might get too carried away with thoughts of getting back into the game, they can't afford to slip up and concede another. The next goal becomes crucial.
Looks to slip it through. He's off on a marauding run. Luis Suarez is alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. Marcelo. Modric. James Rodriguez. Benzema. Bale. Passes it through. What an adventurous run from a defender. Offside, I think? Yes, it is. Jordi Alba. Tries running with the ball at his feet. He's thrust his way through. Loose ball, who's going to get there? Header! Oh, crucial block! Oh, good hand from the keeper. Ball is over the line. Cristiano Ronaldo.
We've got to see a real determination and purpose now if this deficit is to be recovered. No.
It's in! Oh, no goalkeeper would keep that out. It really was a bullet.
Well, the technique generates the power in that situation, and once power is assured, any goalkeeper's up against it.
Barcelona get themselves back into contention.
Scoring early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them to